We're gonna see if we could try to get in like a really nice sunset because the sun is going down. I think it's like somewhere close to like 5 o'clock. There she is. She's hovering. You see that little speck in the sky? That is her. That which is my drone. So let's go for it. The sun looks like this huge like orange color, like this orange ball like in the middle of the city. Like honestly, like I thought it'd be like really corny to come out here because it's a really small, tiny space, but you only need a little bit of space just to take off, and the rest of the sky is yours. Again, this is a place where you can legally fly your drone. So wherever you go in the city, make sure that you can fly your drone there. I know Manhattan's like a no-fly zone. Overlooking at South Ozone Park area, Woodhaven. I want to say that's Andrew Jackson High School over there. I shot there before. I shot a couple of high school soccer games in the past. Absolutely amazing. I could be wrong. We're just gonna turn. We're just kind of bank right. Oh shoot. So we're losing some kind of signal over here. So we're gonna turn back to our home point. Just gave me a warning saying that my antenna was getting kind of low, and I noticed that. Wind velocity is a little high. I'm about 900 feet out. I didn't even realize how far I was. 300 feet in the just under 350 feet, about 900 feet away. That is pretty awesome. And if you see the camera shaking just a little bit there, that's the either from the gimbal kind of malfunctioning but I just think this view is like absolutely just freaking awesome right now. Fun. I got to fly it, my drone legally, finally, in New York. So that was pretty awesome. Didn't have to get in any trouble, no cops spoke to me. Pretty nice out here. Got some great footage. About to head back to a little part of Queens and take care, man. And yeah, we're gonna resume our duties back on this grind. All right, and I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. It's getting pretty dark out here. I want to be out here with the raccoons and the bears and all that kind of stuff. Not that there are any bears out in Forest Park in Queens. Plus you happen to go to the zoo. Ooh, love ginger tea.